This video will show how to flush a small Mercury Outboard motor. This one happens to be 3.5 horsepower. That's coming up next. In order to do the flush, you need the flush tool. This one's brass. If you buy it on Amazon, could be like 27 bucks. But mine came in the warranty package. Had a few essential items shown here. The brass tool is shown at the arrow there. So there's a close-up of it in the package. I had to find a connector to hook my hose up to. I happen to have this one laying around, and with that I put together a few pieces from my plumbing drawer and got it ready. Now, where to stick the tool, the brass tool, is located at the back of the outboard, where the arrow is showing. My finger is pointing towards the special bolt that is the flush port. It has a gasket on it. Pulled the bolt out. It's 13 mil, and that's what the bolt looks like. You'll note there's a dab of paint on there. I didn't put it there, so maybe the factory did. And I took my little brass tool and put it in that little flush port. And there's my setup again. And now we'll show you when I actually hooked it up to the hose. Okay, we're ready. There we see the outboard. I'm grabbing the hose on a low pressure. Stick it into my assembly kit and push it there. If you look closely, now you can see the stream coming out to the right of the actual garden hose. There, we'll zoom in and have a look. You can see that it's streaming out there under the black arrow. And so that's how I did it. Pretty easy. No force fit. I didn't buy the special accessory tool from Mercury. Thanks.